Some of you may have seen my other short where I show off all my keyboards. So, obviously we bought another keyboard here. Best Buy had this hidden on a little shelf in the back with like a couple other of these. They have it hidden. They have it hidden. Do they not know what they have here? Do they not know? For anyone who doesn't know, this is a Keychron Q6 Max. It's a full-size wireless keyboard. It has the Gateron Jupiter switch, the brown switches. So it'll be nice and like, oh, just wait. Look how pretty. All right, so upon opening, we have our quick start guide here. It tells us that if we're a Windows user, we need to swap out the key for the, the proper Alt and Windows key. And there she is. Okay, you can't hear through that. Also, let's just go through all the stuff that it comes with here on the side. All the little bits and pieces and pullers and stuff if you want to swap out your keys and switches. A beautiful braided USB-C cable. I've gone ahead and set it to the Windows and USB setting. And I'm gonna hook it up and play with it, but first, also before there's also this little spinny wheel. And this is the RGB. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.